In this video, I'll be showing you how to share live location on Google Map. So open your phone and then go to settings. So here you select or you turn on the mobile data. But for this case, I'm going to turn on my Wi-Fi and then go back. Scroll down to security and location right here, and then under privacies section, choose on location and make sure that we tap that, we turn that on. So this process can actually be simplified by swiping down your screen and then you select Wi-Fi and then location. Now go to maps, click on maps, and it's going to load Google Map, and probably it's going to indicate your current location. And up above here on the top right corner, click on that profile picture. And then scroll down a little bit until you see location sharing. You click on that. And you'll be able to see this share new icon. You click on this share new icon, tap on it, and here you can see that you have the information, your name there, and your current battery percentage. It's also going to share this information with whoever you're going to share with your live location. Now, under share your real location, you can choose the time that you want to share with this person. On the right hand side, you can see you have a plus icon. This is to increase the time. And on the left is minus, so you can reduce that to whatever time that you want. Or you can just click the second option, that is until you turn this off. So you're going to share your live location until now you come back and turn it off. For today, I'm going for the first option, and the next step is to select the method in which you want to share this location. So the first option you can see there is messages. You can share through WhatsApp, yes, so Gmail. So if you scroll on your left, you can see more options, Facebook and all that. So today, let's try and see and share with WhatsApp. So the moment you tap on WhatsApp, is going to open a WhatsApp application. And here select the person that you want to share your location with. So I'll select that and click send. So now you can see, so if this person is online, it will be seeing your live location on Google Maps. So it's actually going to tap on that link and it will take him or her directly on the Google Map. So that's all for this tutorial, and see you in the next one.